Nel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe.
Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers! Naku, mukhang mas lalo tayong na-excite sa nalalapit na Miss Universe 2025. Of course, all eyes are on our very own Maria Atisa Manalo, one of the most talked about and prepared queens this season. Pero isa sa pinaka-naiintrigang tanong ngayon ay anong kulay nga ng evening gown ang babagay kay Atisa sa finals? Kaya pag-usapan natin, tara and let's break it down. Pink gown. Imagine Atisa in a soft or bold pink gown. Sobrang fresh, youthful at nakakabighani. This color could highlight her sweet aura at maging modern Filipina na vibe. Pero risky ito kung hindi tama ang execution. Baka magmukhang prom dress instead of Miss Universe. Red gown. Powerful, classic and full of confidence. Red symbolizes strength and passion. Kung gusto nating i-project ang fierce and unstoppable Atisa, this is the way to go. Lalo na kung sleek and dramatic ang silhouette, pwede itong pang winning moment. Yellow gown. Isa sa mga nakakagulat pero pwedeng game changer. Yellow stands out on stage, lalo na kung rich ang undertone. Atisa has that warm and glowing skin tone, so a golden, yellow or mustard gown can really make her shine. Parang ray of sunshine sa gitna ng fierce competition. The silver gown. Modern, sophisticated, and pang-queen talaga. Silver gowns are always showstoppers, and it suits Atisa's elegance and status figure. It gives a mass universe-ready vibe, clean, high fashion, at may dating na pang grand finals. The blue gown, of course. The safe but royal choice. Blue symbolizes trust and confidence. At syempre, ilang beses na rin naging lucky charm ito sa pageantry. Remember, Pia and Catriona. Atisa in royal or navy blue would be a total classic Miss Universe moment. So, ano sa tingin nyo mga ka-pageant lover? Pink, red, yellow, silver o blue? Anong kulay ng gown ang dapat suotin ni Atisa para mas lalong mangibabaw sa Miss Universe 2025 stage? Comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para sa mas marami pa nating chika and updates. This is Nel 2204 and I'll see you in the next video.